We're watching Shoot Your Shot TV, and today we have the Nike Lebron 20. Here they are, the Nike Lebron 20 in that black metallic gold colorway. But before we dive into it, we want to give a quick shout out to the good folks over at 1985 Gallery for letting us get another early look at this Nike model. Make sure you click the link below and follow them so you can stay up to date for all the release information. But these right here, the Nike Lebron 20, that's crazy to say out loud, predominantly black upper for the shoe. Right here at the tongue, you have this nubuck piece at the top of the tongue with Lebron's signature embossed. Then you have two gold X's which are stitched on top of that, connected to the rest of the tongue in this woven-like material. You have this nubuck or synthetic leather overlay on top of the tongue that holds the eyelets, and you have these flat black laces with gold tips. At the bottom of the laces, gold-plated XX to signify the Lebron 20. And you have synthetic leather piping going around the upper of the shoe as well. Taking us to the upper right here is that Nike Sphere technology, 3 different layers. This is my first time ever seeing it in person. It's pretty crazy to see. And it's really detailed. You have a little bit of speckles on there as well. Taking us to the inside panel of the shoe, you have an iridescent gold swoosh that's stitched on. Taking us to the outer panel of the shoe, you have another iridescent gold swoosh that has different colors in the light, which is stitched on top of a silver 3M swoosh. Cool thing about this swoosh right here, it protrudes past the shoe, so it's kind of like wings for your feet. Nice little detail. Taking us to the back of the shoe, you have more of that nubuck material at the top of the ankle. Then you have this Lebron crown stitched on the back of the heel cup. Taking us to the midsole, you have this light gray midsole with black speckles. The midsole is made of Cushlon, a very comfortable material. And within the Cushlon, there's Zoom Air, so you get the best of both worlds. Taking us to the forefoot of the midsole, you have this lateral guardrail, and it's mixed with this translucent outsole with multi-directional traction. And right here in the middle of the shoe, you have a carbon fiber plate with a Lebron signature. On other Lebron 2020 models, there's a bigger window here so you can see more of that carbon fiber plate. It provides stability. And to top it all off, they included Lebron's dunking logo in pine green. It's a great looking basketball shoe. We did mention these on our podcast a couple months back, how it was one of the better LeBron models that we've seen in recent years. It's crazy to say that they're on Lebron 20. And the crazy thing about it is he's played in all 20 models. He's never really been out for a long period of time. That's something that I don't think's ever been done before. KD's kind of getting up there, but LeBron, he's been playing for 20 years, kind of unheard of. And this is the first time the LeBron signature shoe has been a low top. He usually prefers a mid or a high top. And I think they wanted to gear these more towards the next generation of hoopers who prefer lows opposed to the mids. And these released on April 6th at a price point of $199, which is pretty standard for a LeBron shoe, considering that it does come with the nice packaging and all that new technology, the latest and greatest. So $199, not too bad. And I do like this cut, like it's a great silhouette. I love that it's a low top. I don't think I'd wear this specific colorway anywhere else but the court, but there has been some other colorways that caught my eye that I would like to wear with some shorts in the summertime. We had the Lebron South Beast, which pays homage to his days in Miami. We also had the Lebron Time Machine, and they had the Lebron Violet Frost. All those were great colors. I could see myself getting a fit off in those. Pretty cool. As far as sizing goes, I usually get a size 10 in the Lebrons. These are very comfortable. You can definitely feel that Cushlon material. You feel the Zoom Air. Like I said, best of both worlds. Great basketball shoe. You've seen a bunch of NBA players wearing them this season. The comfort's definitely there. Latest tech, awesome. How do you guys feel about the Lebron 20? Do you like this more sleek design or do you prefer the Lebrons of the past? Let us know in the comments below. Let's go ahead and try these on.
Yeah. Back on my bully in an all-black hoodie. Got a stack for the Chanel ski mask, bougie and gully. It's winter, so it's finna get ugly. Okay, wolves see dinner on my plate and they wanna take it from me. Well, hey, just come and get it, but know how I'm coming with it. You can't touch me, I'm gone. I'm CMC running with it. Shoot your shot, finna drop. Gonna run the whole summer with it. Something new, something fresh, something different. Let's get it. Yeah, I got some new sounds to skate off. Heard you was a hustler, but you couldn't get no weight off. You couldn't move an 8-ball at a rave, dog. So what you play for? I wake up and I treat every day like it's the playoffs. Ay, not trying to say that I was ever with the shits, but I seen homies get rich cause they was heavily in the mix. They had zips.
And if you enjoyed this review on the Lebron 20s, make sure you check out our other Nike basketball reviews right here.